Wild facts. Meet the marine iguana, a real-life little sea dragon. You won't believe the secret trick it uses to stay healthy. These lizards love to swim in the chilly ocean waves. They use their sharp claws to hold onto slippery rocks. Their skin looks just like bumpy dark armor. It is like if you could eat your lunch while holding your breath. These animals can dive down as deep as a 2-story house. They live on rocky islands where they forage for seaweed and bask in the warm sun. To get rid of extra salt, they actually sneeze it right out of their noses. Which part was your favorite?